guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marx. Today we're going to be doing Budgie to the Rescue Part 1. I don't know if you can see. There we go, Budgie to the Rescue Part 1. By me. Hold on. Let me adjust the camera. Go. So, Budgie, so what do you guys want to do today? Well, please, I don't know. I was hoping you had something planned. I mean, look, a plane. Budgie, don't worry. I'll save you guys to Budgie City. Well, there's nothing here I can do here. Oh no, an enemy. It's getting closer to me. I know, I'll jump on it. I did it, I killed it. Look, a flag. Let's go. This place is scary. I found you. I'm number 1. Let's go. It's go time. It's a go time, I mean. It's the door is locked. Oof. Hello, anyone there? It's Evil Budgie. The evilest Budgie out of all of them. Yes, Evil Budgie. Yes, and I'm here to destroy you. Stop. To be continued. Well, that'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you please enjoy, like and subscribe and share. Ring that bell for notifications so it for the content. I'll be seeing you guys in the next Budgie Marx video. Bye.